Welcome, friends, to Simple Self-Care. Let's reveal age-defying secrets from your pantry. Today we'll try a timeless, gentle ritual, an anti-aging blend that restores calm confidence. Only familiar, wholesome ingredients today, no lab mixes, just Earth's nourishing gifts. This remedy melts wrinkles and fades spots like dawn-erasing night. No harsh chemicals. We start with Humble Hero Potato. Its creamy starch smooths every fine line. Pick a large potato. Rinse it till it gleams. Peel to reveal fresh, youthful flesh. Grate the potato into snow-white threads. Its scent hints at hidden nutrients. Wrap pulp in gauze. Gently squeeze. Liquid gold brightens skin. Chemical-free. Next, chickpeas, tiny beads of protein. They add strength and silky texture. Add 3 tablespoons to a pot. Each spoon promises firmness. Hear them tumble, eager to enrich water. Pour 300 milliliters pure water. Chickpeas settle, ready for slow, nourishing change. Place on gentle heat. Patience is our spice. Soon bubbles lift nutrients in soft dance. Simmer 1520 minutes. Breathe deep. Picture your fresh reflection. Remove heat. Strain golden broth. Protein nectar awaits thirsty skin. Add 50 milliliters rose water. Garden fresh hydration. A dash of romance in every drop. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons cornstarch like soft snow. It gives our mask body and creaminess. Stir slowly. Watch mixture thicken. Tradition and science weave into silk. Return to low heat so flavors marry. Keep stirring. Love is the best emulsifier. Soon it turns glossy and rich. Cook until it coats the spoon. Take off heat. Cool in glass bowl. Vitamins settle as steam drifts away. Fold in 2 tablespoons fresh potato juice. Color brightens with a dawn-soft glow. Drizzle half a tablespoon flaxseed oil. Omega boost. Elasticity rises in every swirl. Blend to velvet. Swirls unite. Patience becomes pure satisfaction. Add 1 tablespoon aloe gel. Cool and soothing. Locking moisture, calming skin. Congrats! Your brightening anti-wrinkle mask is ready. A small act of self-love. Store in glass jar. Chill 5-7 days. Cold keeps its power for nightly use. Apply on clean skin like morning dew. Finger strokes tell stories of care. Rest 1520 minutes. Sip tea, hear music. Serenity partners with science. Rinse with warm water. Residue glides off. Meet a fresher, luminous you. Hydration deepens. Lines soften. Glow rises. Compliments bloom without a word. Ready for recipe 2? Neat flax seeds. Tiny seeds with lifting, tightening power. Add 2 tablespoons flax seeds to saucepan. Each will release a silky elixir. Pour 200 milliliters water over seeds. The bloom of nourishing gel begins. Warm on low heat. Eddies swirl goodness. Beauty benefits rise quietly. Cook 1012 minutes, stirring now and then. Water thickens to amber gel. Remove. Cool until touch safe. Perfect spoonable consistency. Strain. Glossy gel separates from seeds. Pure plant collagen collects below. Blend gel with saved potato juice. 2 superfoods fight dullness. Stir until liquids fuse into silk. Bubbles vanish. Sheen appears. Add 10 drops castor oil for firmness. Strength whispers into every pore. Then half a tablespoon argan oil, Moroccan gold. Vitamin E adds elastic grace. Mix. Texture grows rich and luxurious. Spoon glides like a swan. Jar the second mask. Chill 5-7 days. Enjoy spa-level care nightly. If color shifts, make a fresh batch. Quality skincare lives and adapts. Massage upward onto clean skin. Lift spirits as you lift cheeks. Rest 1015 minutes. Breathe slowly. Silence joins the treatment. Rinse under warm water, pat dry. Softness replaces fatigue. Formula hydrates. firms, brightens. Face feels satin smooth. Thanks for watching to the final glow. Your support powers every remedy. Use these masks and honor your skin. We'll keep exploring nature together. Till our next botanical session, stay radiant. See you soon, beauty family.